In this video, I'll be showing you how you can unlink or disconnect your Rockstar Games account into your Epic Games. So as you can see, this is the prepared support article by Rockstar Games in order for you to guide on how you can unlink your account to Epic Games. So as you can see, their first solution is to submit a direct support request to them to unlink your Epic Games account. So just click this link, and then it will redirect us to this. So you just need to enter your Play Store online ID for PlayStation or the games tag for Xbox or your Rockstar Games account email for PC. And basically we are using the Rockstar Games account. So just type in your email here and then enter here the description of why and what is the reason of unlinking or disconnecting your Rockstar Games account into your Epic Games account. You can also provide or upload a picture of proof regarding your reason. And you just need to click this Submit Web Ticket. Therefore, you will receive a request from Rockstar Games account in just a bit. So there's another solution here. So you just need to follow this another step, which is this. As you can see, you can navigate to your Epic Games account and then sign in to your Epic Games account. There you have to select Epic Profile and then go to your Account tab. Your Epic ID will appear at the top as ID followed by a series of numbers and letters. So just copy and paste your Epic ID in the unlink request and then capture a screenshot of the Epic Profile page showing your Epic Profile name and the account information section containing your Epic ID. So just input here the Epic ID and also the screenshot that you took from your Epic Games account and then click the Submit Web Ticket. And that's it. That's how you can unlink your Rockstar Games account to your Epic Games, and thank you for listening.